In this lesson, I will explain to you how to make presentation in Microsoft SOE. So here you have to write down soe.com and just press enter. It will take you to the home page of Microsoft SOE, and here you can see welcome to SOE as well. If you do not have account, so first you have to create your account, and the same way you have to sign in, write down your name and a password, and then you will also be here. Right, so here it says welcome to SOE. You can see here we have three different options: create new, start from a topic. This is if you want to create your new presentation, you have to click here. If you have some specific topic, you can write down your topic here. It will bring information for you. And the third one, if you have some document, PDF file, your PowerPoint or any other file, you have to bring it or you have to import here as well if you have saved on your desktop or your USB. Here you can see the same create new icon is there. It means if we will click create new from here or here, it will perform the same function. Here we have already made two presentations, so you can see here this is the edited mode, viewed mode, analytics. Here you have to pay, but I am not going to use this. From here you can delete it. So, and you can see here we have three dots here, three dots here. If I will open these three dots, so some functions are there. With the help of this you can play. This is for link. If you want to share with your friends, with your colleagues, you have to use this link. And this one, if you want to make a copy of your presentation, then you have to click here, and this is for the delete or move this SOE to the recycle bin. If I will click here, see, it will ask you that yes, you want to delete. Yes, we want to delete, and it's gone. So now I have only one presentation there. And then you can see some templates are here. If you do not want to start from your own, the new one, you can use the template and make your presentation. But in this lesson, I will explain to you how you can make your own presentation. So see, create new. I am going to click here. When you will click here, you will see a box will open here, and by default we are here on our storyline. You can see on the top of right hand side under this SOE, Microsoft SOE, we have two options: storyline and design. By default it will take you to the storyline, but if you will click on design, see, so far we do not have anything, that is why it is blank. But I will let you know later on what is the purpose of this design. So here, see, title of your presentation. So suppose we are making some presentation related to Toronto, so I can write down Toronto attractions. Right, this is my heading. If you want to bold, means emphasize, so select this, and this is the button for emphasize. Click here, it is emphasized now. This is for the italicized, just click here and see, now it is italicized. But if you do not want, this is the button for undo. I'm just going to click one time because I need the emphasize option is there. This link I will show you later on. If you want to share your presentation with your colleagues, your friends, you can use this link here. Right now, see, this is the detail, and besides the detail we have this arrow button. If I will click here, so far only I have written Toronto attractions. I do not have anything, so it is blank. I'm going back here. I want to make it capital. Now here, if you want to enter some background, so just click here on background. You can see here, this is the Toronto attractions as I have used already. That is why here Toronto animals, nature, food by default. If suppose you want to enter some food pictures, you can click here and then you will see the pictures related to food. Right, okay, if you want to bring here, you can see one option we have suggested, and there is an arrow button as well. Open this arrow where you want to bring your pictures. If you have save on OneDrive, Flickr, Bing Images, right, and then YouTube and so on, if you have saved some on your desktop or USB, you can bring it here. But here I am going to delete this because I do not want, I need some pictures related to Toronto attractions. So click here and it will bring some nice pictures for us. Right, so you can scroll and see which one you have to make your background. So suppose this one, right, there are two or three different ways. I will show you the easiest one. First you have to click here. When you will click, you can see the check mark is there, and then here is the add button. Click on this add button, automatically it is here. Now if I will click on my details button here, now see, besides the Toronto attraction, I have, sorry, I have this as well, right? My background is also there. After this, when we enter this background, you can see focus points, right? We have a new icon or button, focus point. What is the purpose of it? Just click here, I will show you. So it will show you that it will be display on your desktop like this, and this is the mobile device display. If I want to focus this part on my picture, so when I will click here, you can observe, right, what will happen here. So when I will click here, it is, see, if I will click here, it is going to be changed because I want to focus these parts on my background, right? So if whatever parts you want to focus on your picture, you have to use this focus point, but I'm not going to use this. I need the entire image, so I'm going to close it. So this is all about this box. If you want to enter or if you want to write down some information related to Toronto, then you have to open this plus sign, insert content. When you will click here, you will see here we have suggested text. These are the text option. These are the media. If you want to upload some audio or video, you can use this. And here is the group. I will show you few options here, and the rest of the options you have to use because more or less all are similar. So here I want to write down some text related to Toronto. So that is why I have opened this, and information. Suppose these two lines I can copy from here, but whatever information you want, you can write down, right? This is just a quick way to show you. So see, my information is there. See, when I have written this, it is too small, difficult to read. For this purpose, we have two options here. One is set the emphasis on the card's subtle effect. The second one is the moderate. So when I will click on the moderate, by default, it is on the subtle. Though now it is highlighted. It means this is the moderate effect, and our font size is now big, so we can read easily. I'm going to fix this problem why there is red lines. Okay, right, same thing. If you want, now you can see we have this emphasis means bold button. Click here, it is bold now, and here are the numbers. I will show you, this is the heading and whatever, right? So I am going to open one more here. Again, I need some text, and in text I want to write down some picnic spots. Suppose we have Wonderland in Toronto, we have CN Tower in Toronto, or we can write down some parks there. I can Thousands Island, etc. Why I have written these four things here? Only to show you, if you want, you can assign some bullets, or if you want, if you can use 1 2 3, right? Now this is your homework. You can write down some more and use 1 2 3. I'm going to emphasize it, and again this I want to make it moderate so we can see easily. Okay, now after this, right, suppose I want to upload some movie clip as well related to Toronto attractions. So I can go to this media, and in media, see, I have a video audio option, embedded upload. If you want to upload from your desktop wherever you have saved, I am going to click on this video, and you can see here now we have different options here of videos. If you do not like any of these kind of videos here, so again you have to go there from where you want to bring YouTube. Click on YouTube, and then there will be some more attractions so you can bring. So which one should, okay, if I say this one, so okay, again click here and then add button, it is here. Now we have our video. See, video option is there. If you want, you can bring it down, right? We can fix it later on. It is not necessary that if you have entered your video here, we cannot fix or change it. Just we can change the position. So this is all about the video, and I will show you later on how it works. And here, if you want, you can write down that video related to Toronto attractions. Again, I am going to emphasize and make it. Now see, we have now third option here. What is the meaning of this? This is the intense. It will enlarge your video, so I am going to use this one, right? After this, After this, I will show you one more option. This is called the group. Click on the group, and in group we have automatic, right? When I will click on this automatic, what will happen here? Suppose if we want only images, we do not want the videos. If you want 5 or 6 or 8, whatever pictures all together, you can do in one shot. Suppose I want this one, I want this one, this one, this one, and what other videos we need, right? Suppose this one, right? These are the beautiful pictures. So, and just click on add. In few seconds it will all together, they are here, right? Again, if suppose you want to adjust this one, you said it should be here, this should be here. Yes, easily we can do this. Just move the directions whatever you want. So more or less our presentation is ready. Now see here, if I will click here, you will see again we have three different options. This is the subtle effect, this is the moderate, and this one is the intense. I am going to use intense in all of these, but I will show you what will happen if I will not use this option in my rest of the 4 or 5 pictures. So after this, when everything is done, this is our design. Click on design and it will show you how it looks, right? So see here. Okay, one more thing here. I am going to select this. See, by default, here are the options. Okay, first I will show you what is going on here. This is my Toronto attractions. This is my picture. This is I have written, right? CN Tower we have. This is our movie. If you want, you can click here, but it will take time. So now this is job you have to upload and check your movie as well. And then we have these pictures here, right? See, now these pictures are enlarged, you can see, and these are not. Now what is the problem? So this is the problem which I show you here, that this is the last one I have chosen here intense, but for the rest of these is still the first one subtle. So that is why there is a difference between the size. So click on this, the last option. This is the intense. All our pictures will be equal size, this one. And if you want, you can delete from here, right? So you have learned now what is the meaning of bullet, numbers, this emphasis, italicized, delete, and everything. And now, and there is no need to save it automatically. It is saved for you. Go to the design, and then you can see here our all pictures are now on the same side. It was small, these were small because we did not select the intense effect. See, this is our. So by default, you can check your presentation vertically, but if you want that you have to show to your audience horizontally, what you have to do, see here on the top of right hand side, we have this styles option. Click on this style option, and this is the vertical, this is the horizontal. Then you have to click on horizontal button. After this, you can see we have this arrow button. You can move right horizontally and show to your audience. See, beautiful, beautiful pictures are there. But again, if you want to show to your audience just like PowerPoint presentation, so the third option is for the slide one. And now here, same thing, but you have to show just like PowerPoint presentation, right? I want my vertical, so I'm going back on my vertical. And here is some more colors, right? If suppose you do not want this color, so these are different colors, you can check, just click on different, play with it. There are many features, but all are very easy, right? uh, it will be very nice if you will do some homework and practice it. Whatever color you want, you can change according to your situation or according to your preference. And when I will click on this customize button, what will happen in customize, you can see here, this is the animation emphasis, and this is the text size. You can observe this is my text size. If I will make it large, so just bring it here, you will see it is large, right? Again, it's up to you though. So this is animation, and bring it here, and then these are the colors, you can play with it. Okay, if suppose you do not like your own color, so this is the remix button. Click here. I will do a couple of times and you will see how it will happen. This is the remix. system will select the colors and everything for you, right? But I want my own, so I am going back. So undo, undo. So see how simple is Microsoft Story. And then this is the play button. Click on play button from here and see. And at the bottom, see on the right hand, bottom of right hand side, we have this option. So click here, then you will see Toronto attractions. I have made only my one file. If you have some more file here, so you can see separate your files from here. If you want to share, now this is the point. If you want to share to your audience, so get this copy. You have to copy this and send to them through email or from Twitter or Facebook, whatever you want, right? So this is all about our Microsoft Suite. This is our storyline. Go back to your storyline. If you want, you can edit, make changes, change the picture, or change the style, change the position. See here, this is blank. If you do not want, so I already told you, you can delete from here, right? But it is okay now. One more thing, I will show you here that suppose if I am going to add one more, or I can add at the very end here, right, image. See here, as I have told you that there are different ways. One is just click it and then add. And second way is if you do not want, you can press and hold and bring it here. This is the second way you can make your background according to your choice. And write down here, you can write down, right? If these are your memories, write down whatever you want here and then show to your audience, show to your friends and relatives. So I hope how to make the presentation in Microsoft Suite is clear to you. Now this is your job. You can make your presentation according to your own choice. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.